Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wangashi. Today's foundation Friday, so I'm going to be trying on another foundation for you guys. And the foundation for today is Revlon Colorstay 24-hour makeup, and I'm in the shade caramel. So if you want to see how this foundation sits on my face and how I like it, keep watching. So I'm going to moisturize my face using the L'Oreal Revitalift Laser Review Moisturizer. And now for the star of the show, Revlon Colorstay, and I'm in the shade Caramel. Now Caramel was the closest shade to my skin tone. I feel like it's a bit orange when I look at it from the bottle. It looks a little bit orange. The perfect match would be the lighter one plus this one, which would make like a nice shade for me. But I want to show you guys how one shade looks on my skin tone. I'm going to put 2 pumps onto the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take my favorite brush and then I'll just start dabbing it onto my face, and yeah, it's orange. This is a straight up orange shade. It has a scent to it. Not a bad scent, and it's very, very lightweight. I don't like this foundation. It's barely covered my spots on my forehead. My face just looks so orange, man. You can't see it on camera, but it just looks so orange. Okay, I want to try and like this foundation. I really do. I'm going to try and put another layer and see if the second layer didn't help. It's just making me look so oily. Maybe I used the wrong primer with it. I don't know. I used my YSL Touche Blah primer, and I probably maybe should have used like a mattifying primer or a smoothing. I don't know. But that primer really works well with a lot of my foundations. I don't like this one. It looks watery, like in person. I don't know why. It looks very watery. I've never felt that about a foundation. I mean, for my blemishes I could use concealer on top, so that's not like a major problem, but the finish, I don't like the finish. It's like satin. I know lipstick to be satin, like to have a satin finish, but I do know foundations could also have a satin finish. It's just a no for me, a big no. I keep looking at my camera and thinking, what the actual heck am I doing? I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, see if we can salvage anything, because I just am not feeling this foundation. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I thought that after I did the rest of my makeup that things would be a bit better, but I don't like how it came out. I don't know, guys, let me know down in the comment section what you really think. I just don't think it's doing it for me. Usually if your foundation is not the best, the rest of your makeup probably won't sit well enough. It says wears for up to 24 hours, flawless look, lightweight look. I didn't get the flawless look. I could definitely still see my imperfections. Definitely feels lightweight. I don't know, I just feel so disappointed. I had a lot of faith in this because I've seen a lot of people using it, but it's baffling, mind baffling to me. I don't understand why it didn't work on me. Like, what is wrong with my face? I'm oily and it says combination stroke oily, so I don't know. I won't give up on this foundation. I'm going to try it with a different primer. I'm going to try it with like a sponge, see what I feel, and if I do like it, I'll do another video with it, like incorporating it into one of my other videos. But for now, I don't really like it. If you guys have like any suggestions on how I should use this foundation, please let me know down in the comment section, because I really want to give it another chance. It's one of the first foundations I ever used, and I remember thinking it was so bomb, but now I'm like, I don't know. Basically, that's all I have to say. You can even tell from the tone of my voice, I'm disappointed. Yeah, this video is done. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.